Hello again, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Match Train Top YouTube channel. And in front of me, and you can tell by the title, we've got a box of Hornby coaches and wagons for us to have a little gander at. I think the saying is, my word. We'll have a look. Of course, we'll have a look. Right, let's get into it then. So this looks like a... What is that? It's just a composite coach, isn't it? Yeah, an linear composite coach there. Very, very second-hand looking, I'll tell you that. This looks like a coach for the stall, shall we say, ladies and gentlemen. I don't think this is going to be breaking eBay, put it that way. But yeah, it's a nice little coach. Very nice little coach. It's a very light thing, but you know, it's a good coach for maybe a kid to pick up on the stall for a few quid. What, 7-8 quid on the stall? Nice little coach. Right, let's get into some nitty gritty stuff, eh? So we've got an intercity sleeper coach, Mark III there. Very, very nice. Looks like it's not even been opened, this. Actually, yeah, it's all still sealed at both sides, or there's no creases. So this is a brand new Intercity Mark III sleeper coach. Oh, and I've just seen something else as well. Something very, very in demand. White roof Intercity Pullman Mark I coach. Again, brand new coach. Very, very in demand, as you can tell just by the white roof there. The ring light is finally doing its job, which I want it to do. So there we are, Intercity Pullman coach, brake. Right, let's get on to, we've got a Malcolm Logistics container wagon here. Very, very nice indeed. Again, this looks like a brand new item as well. There's your product code. I can just see another one in the box as well. Although this is one with some different containers. But yeah, there we are. So we've got a couple little container wagons there. Again, creases. There's no creases in the side of the boxes, which suggests to me that this wagon is unopened. Right, let's get on to our wagon. We've got this Civil Link. Is it a Civil Link? Yeah, Civil Link. This is Dutch Engineers Civil Link livery. These are CCT vans. You've probably seen before I have. VDA vans. There we are. So I know I've got, there's one. Are you ready? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, have a guess. 7. Oh, have a guess what else we've got, ladies and gentlemen. 8. Oh, would you look at that? We've got, oh, it's a different one. Hey, got you all. There we go. This is a different one, but this just looks like a generic rail freight one there. Again, sealed. Is it sealed? Has it been? No, that's a seal again. Another no crease on there, which suggests to me this is unopened, a brand new item, which I will leave it that way. I usually like to list items which have been unopened, just photo the box and the product code and leave it at that, because I know people don't want my grubby little hands over brand new items. I don't mind getting them over second-hand items because everybody else has had the grubby hands over it. But on brand new items, I just leave them alone. So should we continue? We've got some LMS coaches. I think these are the full brakes, aren't they? If I just, yeah, stand your passenger brake coaches. Again, these are sealed as well down the side. No crease. Beautiful, beautiful. That is another one as well in here. Same again. Are we looking at different product codes? We are looking at different product codes. Yep, so we're looking at different product codes on these two. I was swinging around for you. So that's 2 separate product codes for you. Very, very nice. Ooh, right. This, we've got a collect corridor in the lovely red and cream livery. Again, that is a not sealed, sorry. No, there's no crease on there. And there is no crease on there, which again suggests to me, ladies and gentlemen, this has not been opened. Beautiful. That's what we like. I like brand new, unopened stuff. However, this has been opened. So, let's get it out of that box. This is a Rail Express Systems Gov coach. Very, very nice. I think it's an ex-Lima tooled one. But they still sell well. Still sell very well. So yeah, let's have a look at that then. Very, very nice. With the little Royal Mail logo there. Rail Express Systems logo. There's a little bit of detail. There's a little bit of detail on the bottom. So I think they have upgraded the Lima tooling just a little bit. But yeah, that's a Lima coach just put in a Hornby box. That is, it's a bit of a common theme with Hornby. It's usually a railroad thing, which they do. So obviously Hornby a while back bought a load of Lima tooling and put it in their railroad range, which I ain't got a problem with. The railroad range is fantastic. Just like that. There we are. Right on cue, eh? You know, brilliant segue. I'm getting good at this YouTube malarkey. So this is just a Hornby centenary year wagon. You guys have seen the product code before I have. So yeah, 100th anniversary. So that's just a nice little collector's wagon there for somebody. That's one for the stall, you know, 5-6 quid on the stall or something like that. Very, very cheap. We've got a wagon which is not revealing its identity, ladies and gentlemen. So let's stop it from shying away and let's get the... Oh, it's very nice actually. It's very nice. Look at that. It's very nice. Little colliery wagon there. Great Mountain Collieries. Very, very nice. Very nice. Very nice condition actually. It's a Welsh name. You can probably see. Starts with that. You know, the Welsh pronunciations of things. I will admit. Oh, hang on. You seen that? There we are. You see, look, you can unload. Can you do it at that end? No, but at one end, you can unload your wagon. Look at that. Look at that. Hello. 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 I should stop doing that. 27-year-old, by the way. So, yeah. Right. Anyway, let's move on. Hey, I hope you're enjoying this product reveal as much as I am, ladies and gentlemen. I hope it's coming across on camera. But we have a bit of fun around here. This is Matt's Train Stop YouTube channel. We're not, you know what I mean, we're not some big corporate company. We're the little white van man trying to make a name for himself. That's all we are. We can have a bit of fun. Of course we can. So there we go. We got another nice little wagon. This is a British Sugar Corporation, and I've just... Hang on a minute. Hang on. 30... Cool. You try and you look on there, I can guarantee you for a fact I will not sell that at £13.99. What's that famous Top Gear clip when they're in India? Is it, I'm not paying 13 quid. I am not going to sell you that for 13 quid. Put it that, ladies and gentlemen. I might be a businessman, but I'm not a silly businessman. We've got a lovely HAA hopper wagon there. Let's get this one out, because this one looks like it's been out of the box. Although it does look in good condition, which is not a problem. Again, don't mind things being out of the boxes previously, as long as they're in good condition. I hate it when you buy stuff at auctions and you see the photos and it's all fine and dandy, and then it arrives and it's just rubbish. But no, that is lovely. That is a lovely HAA hopper wagon. The older tooling won't mind, but it still does a job. Still does a job. Cannot complain at all. These are very, very sought after, but I will stick that on the stall. You're probably wondering why I keep mentioning the stall. That is because you will be seeing me next out and about at the Halifax Model Railway Club Open Day on the 16th of November. Come along, very friendly bunch. Usually bring down some pine chips to sell and stuff like that, cups of teas, whatever. So it's a nice, very nice, it's actually a very, really, really nice, wholesome environment they create. Very, very nice, very kid friendly as well. There's loads of kids down there, loads of little kids layouts to get involved in and stuff like that. So it's something for everybody really. And you can come and talk to England to me as well, or you can just listen to me talking to England like I do on YouTube. But yeah, so got another Hornby wagon there. It looks like another centenary wagon. Yes, 70 years of Hornby there. So another nice little collector's item there. Always very nice. Collector's items, just they do well. Right, we're just going to get on to some coaches now. You've seen loads of these before on the YouTube channel. We've got some. These are green Southern Rail Mansell coaches. Sorry, I did just burp in my mouth there. I do apologise. But yeah, Southern Green Mansell coaches. For the long time viewers of this channel, you know how many I've had of these in stock, and honestly, I must stock at least five at a time, at least. There has never been a day where I've not had a green Mansell coach in stock. And I've been running this business, well, it's been on and off since 2016, but for the 2.5-3 years that I've properly put some money into it, I have always had Mansell coaches available. So it's just match, train, stop, and Mansell coaches. They just go hand in hand. And I've had a few of these as well in now. These British Rail Mark 1 intercity buffet cars. These seem to just go round and round and round on the merry-go-round. This one's another brand new one. As you can see, no crease. And no crease, so that is another beauty. Another one for the stall. Another one which has come back around again, ladies and gentlemen. Are you ready? We've got the track cleaning cars once again. Once again, the long-time viewers of the channel will know that these keep coming back into stock. I ain't got a problem with it. They sell well. I buy them cheap and I sell them cheap. So they do the job. They simply do the job. Everybody's happy. Everybody's happy. We've just got a couple of coaches now. There's a couple of duplicates in there, but I will just show you some of these, including the highlight at the bottom, which is the 6-wheel dining car at the bottom. LMS coaches there. The product codes on the other side, Matthew, and they are upside down in the boxes. So I will show you the product codes in a minute. Please stand by. Got there we are. You see, we got there in the end, didn't we? There we are. Very, very nice. Couple of LMS coaches there. There's another duplicate in there. Duplicate brake one. There we are. In the older tooling. And last but not least, I am pretty sure, yeah, this is a British Rail CCT van there. There's your product code on the side there. Again, this one looks like it's a new one, no crease in the box from where you would expect it to be opened. But yeah, that is it. So, ladies and gentlemen, box is empty. That is the delivery emptied. I've got a confession to make. You probably already know this, but I already emptied the box and already saw the stuff before I recorded the video. Oh, boo-hoo. I've done some clickbaiting. Oh, dear. But hey, we all enjoyed the video, didn't we? We've had a good laugh. I've had a good laugh. I hope you guys on the other side of the camera are having a good laugh as well. So, yes, like I say in every video, ladies and gentlemen, anything you want to see on eBay, which you've seen in this video, just let me know. Just put in the comments, Matthew, I would like XYZ item on eBay, and I will get round to it as soon as possible. Some stuff won't go up, like the little wagons and stuff like that. simply because it'll cost me more to post them than it will actually sell them for. But however, these civil link wagons, which I've got like 9 or 10 of them, I'll list one up, and then I'll say there's 10 available on the multi-listing. What Jimmy Doodah. So, ladies and gentlemen, that has been it for this video. I hope you've all having a very, very happy Sunday. I will see you in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Drop a like on the video, subscribe to the Matt's Trading Stock YouTube channel if you're around here, and like I said, anything you've seen in the video you want me to put on eBay, just let me know in the comments and I will get round to it as soon as possible. So, that is it for today. Happy Sunday. I'll leave you all in peace to enjoy the rest of your days. Thank you all for watching, ladies and gentlemen. See you in the next one. Goodbye for now.